How to add money to Cash App without debit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually add money to Cash App without a debit card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to add money to Cash App without your debit card, all you have to do is first of all, just go ahead and just simply launch the Cash App on your phone. Then once you launch the Cash App on your phone, what you have to do is normally if you wanted to add money, you would need to tap on the profile icon from the top right. Then you had to go to the option called linked banks, and then you would be able to find a linked debit card, and then you had to enter your debit card number, your CVV, as well as expiry date in order to add money. But if you don't have your debit card, you can still do that by simply linking your bank account only. So in order to do that, just tap on the option called no card over here. So once you tap on the no card over here, you'll be able to see this type of information. So basically what it does is that if you don't have a card, you can actually link with your bank account. So just tap on the continue button from the bottom. So when you tap on continue, simply select your institutions such as whether you want to add a Chase Bank, Wells Fargo Bank, Bank of America, Citibank, Capital One, US Bank, USSA, or whatever else type of bank is there. Just select your desired bank. You have to make sure to verify the I'm not a robot captcha, and then once you actually verify this captcha over here, so let me go ahead and do that. Once you verify, just tap on the verify option. If your verification is correct, it will actually take you to a page where you can simply authenticate your sign-in process and then simply log into your bank's website with your mobile banking or your online banking account in order to successfully link these two platforms. This is simply how you can actually add money to Cash App without a debit card by linking your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.